Hey guys, today I want to make a video to show you guys the apps that you can have on your iPhone or Android phone to make money every day on every purchase you have. And also there's one rewards app that you can have on your phone that you can make money pretty much without doing anything. So it's very easy money to make. If you don't have those apps, you're really leaving money on the table. So without further ado, let's get into it. First app, as I mentioned, on the left hand side, it is called Google Opinion Rewards. So basically called Rewards. You can download this from App Store on your iPhone and also Android. You can download it on Google Store on your Android phone. So it should be very standard. So this app is it's called Google Opinion Rewards. It's a Google app, obviously. Basically you can sign up for free and just download the app, sign it up using your Gmail account, and then what happens is based on where you go, this app, you have to allow this app to track where you go, and based on the location, the store you go, this app will send you some surveys for you to answer. Surveys are very, very simple. Normally, based on my experience, it's just 2 or 3 question survey. Asks you if you went to a store and asks you what day you went to, maybe a month ago or a week ago or today or yesterday, something like that. And the third question would be, did you use a credit card or did you use a debit card or did you not use any cards or you pay cash, something like that. Very, very simple question. After you answer the questions, normally you get rewarded like 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, sometimes even 50 cents. So if you can get a few surveys a week, you'll get a few dollars. It's very, very easy money to make. It's a very, very good app in my opinion, and I would suggest everybody to have it to install on your iPhone. It's just free money to make. Okay. The second app that I'm also very suggested to everyone, it's called Ebates. Ebates, it is a cashback website. I believe it's the most popular one on the market. And what happens is if you registered and create an account with Ebates, and you will see there are very popular websites like Macy's, Walmart, eBay, sometimes Amazon, Nike, and pretty much every store you shop, there's a cashback associated with this website. So what happens is you have to go to Ebates first, and then from Ebates you can click on, for example, Macy's. Then you can click Shop Now. From there you can go to Macy's website to do your normal shopping. Basically, just one more step add to your normal shopping. So it's very, very easy to do. It's not really wasting any of your time. Plus, this website also offer all the coupons that you sometimes don't have, but this website collect all the coupons and have the coupon codes and you can use to make money. Make not only cash back. For example, today with Macy's is 10% cash back, and you can get 30 to 50% off on some other things on this website. So it's a very good app. I want to say the reason this website exists or this business exists is just like a referral business. Like normally if you go to Macy's directly, you just shop on Macy's. But if you go to Ebates first instead of Macy's would think that Ebates recommend you or promote some form of way to promote Macy's website to finally link or finally push the traffic to Macy's website, so Macy can give like a certain percentage of commission to eBay. Now what happens is from there is eBay will give you the consumer like partial of the payment Macy's paid to eBay. So that's how eBay make money. So it's a very good business. It's a very good business to get into. And the other good thing about this website is also in store. So there's, for example, if you go to Best Buy, you could get a code from this app, and then you go to Best Buy to do normal shopping, then you get 1% back. So for me, this is a different account I signed in, and I have a normal account, and I think I made $300 so far by using eBay. It's a very good app that you should have for your everyday shopping. The third one I want to show you guys is called Ibotta. This one, IB. Ibotta is, I consider it as a grocery shopping app. For example, I go to Walmart a lot. So if I go to Walmart, what happens normally, I go to Walmart, I get my receipt, and it comes back and to check if Walmart offer anything that I bought. And then I do redeem my receipt. Then I can get, whatever it says cash back. So every time I go grocery shopping, I can get, some money back. So that's, Ibotta. Ibotta, the other good thing about Ibotta is they always have some, promotion. For example, currently what I have is that if I redeem 7 offers, before May 1st, I can get $5. So those promotions are very good. It's actually a lot of money if you know which one is giving you cash back. You basically go to Walmart, get 7 of those small items, you ended up having $5 cash back. So this website is very, very good, and I really recommend you to have it. So, everyday shopping, you can get some cash back. That's basically it. It's a very good app. The last one, but it's not the least one, and I downloaded it today. It's called Dosh. It's the last one, DOSH. So this website, the unique of this website is that you install this app and you register and log into your account. Then if you link your credit card, one of your credit card that you use often, to this account, to this app, then use this credit card to go shopping at this the stores listed under this app, then you can get percentage back. For example, if I use the credit card I linked to this app and then go to Pizza Hut now, I can just do my normal shopping, and then this once the credit card expense posted, then this website, this app can recognize that you went to Pizza Hut and you spend probably, for example, $30. Then this app will give you 2% cash back. It's going to add it to your account. So currently you can see I have $5. So this $5 is very easy money. Everybody should have, and it's very easy to get. So all you do is download this app and just register and log in, and link one of your credit card to this account. And then you get $5 instantly. So it's very, very easy to make. And the good thing is that you can refer this app to your family and friends. Every time you refer one person to sign in or register and sign in, you can get another $5. Very easy money to make. So I really recommend this app too. So there are 4 apps as I mentioned today: Google Opinion Rewards, eBay, Ibotta, Dosh. Those are 4 apps you absolutely should have on your phone. If you don't have, you should you should go ahead and download them today. Those are really good apps to have, and those are free money to make. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comments below, and the sign up link for the last 3 apps will be in my description. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. More videos will come. Have a good day. Bye bye.